Hey, good afternoon folks, it's JT. Hey, I got the last accessory for my CZ-457 Jaguar 22 long rifle. So I thought I'd show it to you. Give me a second here to turn it around. Okay. As you can see, the Jaguar has a nice Monte Carlo stock on it. This is the original magazine. I bought one just like it, a spare. The top is a 3x90x40 crimson trace brush line scope. Down here I have a tandem cross Game Changer Pro compensator that I just put on it. I'm looking forward to trying that out. I just think it looks pretty cool on the rifle. Even if it doesn't offer much accuracy, it just looks cool. I've got a CZ green nylon sling. You know, a friend of mine was in the service and he taught me how to sew on a commercial sewing machine. He used to be a parachute rigger. So one thing I always look for is stitching. And I mean, the stitching on this thing is just perfect. I looked all over it. So I'm really happy with the sling. Here's the other view of the scope. So that's it. That's my new squirrel hunting rifle. I'm hoping to have some fun with it. Thanks for watching, folks. God bless you all. Take care.